Hello everyone, myself Amruta and my roll number is 240.
Hello everyone, myself Jasmita and my roll number is 244.
Hello, myself Prince Chilmasamir, roll number 245, and now we all will be discussing our ES116 final project.
Our project is to create a password-based door lock system by using a keypad for password entry and a servo motor as locking mechanism and a buzzer for alerts and LEDs to indicate the correct password and incorrect password. This is designed to enhance the security by indicating the successful and unsuccessful attempts to access the door through audio and visual information. Also, additionally, we integrated a HC05 Bluetooth module so that it allows the remote access and smartphone notifications. It allows the users to control from large distance, improving the accessibility and convenience.
Hello everyone, myself Amruta and this is our electrical project, door locking system. Coming to the apparatus thing, this is the Arduino board and this is GPI board which we have used only for the buzzer thing. This is the servo motor and these are the LEDs and this is the keypad and this is the HC05 Bluetooth module which connects our entire system to the phone and this is the terminal we use which gives us the notifications entered in the keypad are correct or incorrect or whether some unknown is trying to open it.
Now let's see the circuit description. The 7 pins are connected to the Arduino which signifies the 4 rows and 3 columns, and then this RX and TX of HC05 Bluetooth module is connected to TX and RX of Arduino board which are 0 and 1 pins, and the second pin is connected to servo motor and the third pin is GPI board, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6, 7 and all the other pins are connected to the keypad, and then 11th and 12th pin are connected to the LED lights. Also this is the cable wire which can be connected to the laptop, and this Bluetooth module connects directly to phone which can give us signal where 100 meters away.
So here now we will be starting the mechanism. Now as the mechanism suggests, now firstly we will restart the Arduino. Now as per the mechanism, firstly as we are entering towards the door, we will see that the servo motor will be locked at the position which we can consider as a 0 degree right now. And when suppose we are entering the correct password here, we can see that the LED is blinking here, and simultaneously in the wireless connection which is there at the phone, I can understand that someone is trying to enter the password here. So if I am entering the correct password, which is 696 right now, so entering the correct password, we see that this motor moves by the 90 degree. So this gives us a security system that if the password is correct, the door will open, and suppose the password is incorrect. So if I say that the password is incorrect, I have restarted Arduino again. So if I am entering an incorrect password, the buzzer will play again. So I am entering the incorrect password again now. Again the buzzer will play to show that the incorrect password is entered, and in the phone also we can say that the message regarding that is posted already that incorrect password is entered in here. So if I enter the incorrect password for the third time, as for the security system, I will not want that someone else who is coming in my house without permission. So I am entering incorrect password again. So after entering the incorrect password again, we can see that the beep is increased, and due to this beep, we can gather the neighbors and everyone around our house, which will protect our house or the system, whatever we want. And after this beep get complete, I will also get notification in the terminal that some unknown is trying to enter your system. So this confirms that our security system works very well in all scenarios. Thank you.
As we discussed before the mechanism, we designed our model working model like this, and this is the outer system. And this green and red LED represents, this green will light up when the correct password is entered, and the red will light up when incorrect password is entered, and the beep will increase when it is entered three times, the incorrect one. And all the circuits are designed like this. This is the inner system of our working model.
Now let's see the challenges we faced. One of the major challenges we faced while doing our project is displaying of the information from the keypad. Firstly, we thought of using a LCD screen to display the keys which we press on the keypad, and so that it gives the information whether the pin is correct or not. But due to fault in the LCDs we issued, we couldn't do that. So we choose simple LED which will blink as shown in the mechanism. Further, we encountered this problem by integrating our system with the smartphone via HC05 Bluetooth module, so that it gives information even if we are far away from the system, and also we can control the system by saying that lock the door so that from the large distance, so that it locks our system.
The second challenge we faced is while using Bluetooth module, as we thought of integrating our system with the smartphone such that it gives us all the notifications, whatever done with the lock. We earlier tried to do with the ESP8266, but we couldn't do it due to some fault in the components. And also there's some problem with the Wi-Fi network such that it should, the phone and system should connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and connecting the IIT GNSS network on ESP8266 is problematic and it's not ethical. So we decided to do it with HC05 module, which gives output on the terminal of our smartphone. But connecting it also a great deal. We couldn't do it by female wise, but after changing some positions and all, we successfully implanted on that on the breadboard. After that, and suppose now if I understand that something or someone is going to play with my lock or some like stealing, I can just stop everything and lock the system immediately by just giving a command on the terminal to the HC05, and this marks the success of the security system. Thank you.
And the third challenge we faced is receiving keys from the keypad. The output which we get from the keypad is of type character, but the output which we want to achieve for smooth working is of type integer. So converting this without disturbing the other parts of the code is a challenge, because we had to give proper delay with the same.
Okay, so firstly we start with including the libraries in this. Firstly we include software.serial library. This library used for the Bluetooth module which we will be using. Next we have the servo.h library for the servo motor, and third the keypad library which will be for the keypad. Now we have used 12th pin for the green LED, 11th pin for the red LED, third for the buzzer, second for the servo pin, and for the keypad, we have chosen all the values which are on the keypad as a char, and for this we have chosen as it has 12 values overall. So 4 rows plus 3 columns. So we have chosen 4, 5, 6, 7 pin for the rows and 8, 9, 10 for the columns. Now we go towards the setup, and in the setup we have just given that the baud rate is 9600, and we have just defined that which pin should be given for the output. Now in the void loop, firstly we are defining that there was a boolean called as door locked, which is false, which is always kept true earlier, such that our door is always locked before any operation. Now as we are operating this through the Bluetooth module, if we want that our door should be locked for a particular time, we can do it by just giving a command from the Bluetooth. For this, we are giving the code in the initial void.loop that if B is available, char command is equal to Bluetooth.read, which will get a command, and then we have just an if-else loop here with 2 functions, and this lock door and unlock door functions are kept here, which will just check here and make this boolean true or false accordingly. Now going towards the another part, we will have that if the door locked is equal to true, now from the keypad we will get the values, and if the keypad as we get the values from the keypad, it will use the function get number which is predefined by us, and in the get number it will convert the values from character to integers because our password initially is in the integer form. Now if we see that if the password is correct here, that if password is equal to correct password, then digital right or green LED as high, and on the phone we will get the notification that the door is unlocked, and then the servo motor will rotate by 90 degree, which will unlock the door. Otherwise we will just see that for the if we enter the incorrect password, a small sound alarm will be played, and it will say that it's an incorrect password. But if the incorrect password is entered for the 30 times, we will have a big sound alarm, and this sound alarm will wake up the whole nearby or neighborhood, and it will also give me a message that some unknown is trying to enter the house. By this I can just predefine my I can give the commands to our Bluetooth system. So this completes the explanation of the code.